Here are straightforward steps to track sleep with Apple Watch so you can get an accurate sleep score on your Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Under the My Watch tab, scroll down a bit and tap on Sleep. Then turn on the Track Sleep with Apple Watch toggle to let your Apple Watch track how long you sleep and wake you up with an alarm on your wrist. The display dims and locks itself during sleep focus so it doesn't disturb you. To turn off or stop using your Apple Watch for sleep, scroll to the bottom and tap on Don't use this watch for sleep. Confirm with Turn off, and that's it. To manage sleep score notifications on Apple Watch, choose Notifications only for good or bad sleep scores. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.